You guys, welcome back. Today is officially the day. We've been planning on wrapping the Supra for quite some time. We've listened to every single one of you guys' suggestions and we literally are gonna take one of them. There are so many different colors that we have thought about and we've landed on one specific color. Now, the cool part is today the wrap came in. Now, we've got two different boxes on the wrap. So we're gonna showcase both of them, but we're not gonna show you the color quite yet. We're gonna do some B-roll. We're gonna kind of show you guys us wrapping, the fender and some of the other things on here. So at the very end of the video, you guys can probably fast forward if you'd really like, but we'd love for you to kind of follow us the entire process from start to finish in a way. Extremely excited. This is gonna be super crazy. Fun fact, we've actually tried wrapping the Supra before, but we had calendared wrap and it was like the worst experience ever. We have cast wrap now, so everything's gonna be a little bit easier. I can't wait. I wanna show you guys the box. All right, let's go ahead. Let's reveal. We have right here, you guys, every Denison. We're gonna go for it. It's a lot better of an upgrade than we had before. It was all calendared. It was awful to work with, and I know Liza can agree with that. It was awful, but we have literally top tier wrap. Also, we have another color. It's gonna be kind of an offset color, you guys, but we are super thrilled. I think we should just get started. So I think one of the first steps, you guys, is we are wanting to shut. The lighting's a little crazy, but we're wanting to shut this door because we want to eliminate as much debris that's going to be flying in through here. When we start wrapping this, we don't want any issues. I think that's just going to be the first best step. This is the color. We're so thrilled. This is gonna look so good on the Supra, you guys. Yeah, let's dive into it.
All right, guys, here we are. We have officially done one piece of the car. This is the driver's side fender.
Whoa.
I think we did pretty good. I can't complain. It looks awesome.
You guys, this is so crazy. So we just removed the door garnish off of the door. I know my boy Canyon would be incredibly proud of me right now for diving in and, taking apart some of the car to make sure it's wrapped appropriately. I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at us like, why are you doing that anyway? We totally are. In fact, we also got the door handle taken off as well. That was a pretty wild feat. We had a lot of crazy tools we needed for that. But yeah, so we're gonna wrap this separate, obviously, and then we're gonna wrap the door right now as well. You guys, it is about 5 o'clock. We got done with the fender and we got done with the door. We also got done with the door handle. So Liza did the door handle. It sucks. It's a bowling ball. And that's kind of how she described it. And I agree. I think the whole car essentially is like wrapping a bowling ball. There's a lot to it that makes it really hard. For the most part, it is coming out really good. I am insanely happy about the color. I mean, we have about another couple panels we're gonna do today, and then we're gonna kind of bleed over until for tomorrow and then the next day. We'll figure it out. It's probably gonna last us all weekend. I mean, like I said, it's kind of in the middle of the week right now. So we're gonna kind of hopefully have it take the rest of the weekend and then that'll be it. Okay, you guys, it is 8 o'clock. It is getting dark. So this was the progress that we have so far. We have both fenders on the other side. We also have this entire door, the door handle. The hardest part, you guys, is actually going to be this other little fender piece, actually. Like, this was a pain in the butt. So basically, you have to start from here and you have to sweep it all the way through. Honestly, we were able to also cover the inside of the door a little bit, so we didn't get all of the gray, but we just wanted to kind of keep it subtle. But we absolutely love the progress. But this is pretty much it so far, you guys. We're really happy for day one. This is literally one day so far. You guys, I'm blown away. We literally talked about the quarter panel potentially being one of the hardest pieces on this entire car, and it actually turned out as one of the easiest pieces of the whole. It took us 10
minutes.
10 minutes, that's it. 10 minutes for this entire quarter panel, that is literally it. That's the fastest it's taken. It's basically as long as it took for us to do a fender in the front was how long it took for us to do the quarter panel. Ah! Dude, this looks so good. This is coming together so well. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning up down here and then I'll give you an update. You guys, it is coming together. It's looking really, really, really good. We're doing everything that we can to clean up around here. Definitely really hard to clean up, but you guys, look at this. This is looking so freaking good. Now, the garnish isn't on yet, so as soon as we do get the garnish wrapped, we are gonna get that put on here. This is so clean. This is so cool, you guys. I'm definitely super excited. By now, you will have seen the car in person. You'll see social media posts. You'll see all of that. We are showcasing this at Fresh Fest Crow Fest. You guys get to come with us through the whole journey. I'm excited. A lot of it we just are wanting to do kind of behind the scenes and build out first, and then we'll kind of do the big reveal. So you guys definitely have already seen all this. We're excited. This thing is looking so good though. Liza did really, really good on all the details on all this. I definitely am not as easy on the knife, but yeah. 8 o'clock again, day 2. Okay, so obviously just now we got done with the hood. This is just, there's no bubbles. It's absolutely flawless. It's fantastic. Obviously we didn't do the fender today. We did the door yesterday, but we did the quarter panel today as well. So we did the quarter panel, absolutely amazing, flawless all the way through. The cuts and everything look so good.
Tackled the largest pieces.
You guys, so another thing is that we kind of debated, and it's not really the most perfect job, plus it's calendar wrap, so it's not ideal, and there is a little bit of warping. In the beginning, I think we might just keep the forged carbon fiber top just because it's so cool with the whole design. But yeah, ultimately, we're gonna go with the carbon fiber, at least the forged carbon fiber for the top for now. We might also do the garnishes and that as well, just to kind of be cohesive with it. First time out in the sun. First time we're ever seeing this in the sun, you guys. And it's still got some work to do. We have some work to do. How is it?
It looks so good.
Oh my goodness, you guys. We still have the bumper. We still have some things to do, but
we've only gotten this side done. We still have this side left. We've done the front fender, but we still have the rest. But we will be working on that today, day 3.
You guys, debadging the entire car so far has actually been such a chore. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, yeah, granted a little bit dirty, but the entire debadging process for us has just been such a pain. We do have goo gone, so that's awesome. We're gonna be removing as much as possible that you guys can see, but we're also now working on the Supra lettering to get that taken off as well. I mean, guys, really this whole process has just been definitely a pain in the butt. Toyota was not gracious with us on this, but that makes total sense. They intend for it to never come off. We're also gonna have to remove the tow hook, so that will be coming off at some point shortly when we get started with the bumper. We're not taking anything else off. I've seen people wrap these without having to do that, so. There's no explanation. Literally, we are just gonna heat this up. I'm gonna go just little bit by little bit. So I'm just gonna do right here where the P and the R is. For right now, I don't need to do the rest of it, but we heat it up about that much is all. But we're just gonna give it kind of a, you kind of have to handle it a little bit, kind of go for it, you know? I mean, there's really no explanation. All right, you guys ready? This is, it is what it is. You guys, we just got done with the garnish and we are going to be putting this on right now. Ironically, we actually broke some clips on the backside. So I have a whole handful of these and we're just gonna reapplicate and get this put on the door. You guys, fast forward in the interest of time. Obviously, we're on day like 5, maybe day 6 on wrapping the Supra. It's taken us quite a bit of time in between the last time you guys in this video actually saw the car to right now. In between us wrapping the car, we've actually had to kind of on the tail end of the night work on sort of a piece of it at a time because we've been fulfilling orders, we've been taking care of stuff. We usually send the team home earlier in the day, so we kind of have just the tail end of the night to work on it. It's been kind of hard. It's been a little bit rough. The car is officially done. You guys, 3, 2, 1. This is it, you guys. This is the finished Mark 5 Supra. You guys, from about the time that I remember we picked this up to right now that we've finally been able to wrap this before, and you guys have obviously been to Fresh Fest, you've seen clips, you've seen everything. Today is technically May 7th of 2026. This is long before Fresh Fest. We are just 30 days away from that entire event. So we wanted to kind of finish this up for you guys and complete this out entirely so you guys can see this in person. That's kind of the plan. And you guys by now have already seen it. So we're, you know, surprised the gig is up. But from about the time we got the car to right now, it feels so weird. I would have never imagined, I guess, having this wrapped. I would have actually thought it would have been so far into the future. Here we are. You guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, if you guys like all the cool, fun, random content that we do here, please leave a like, please subscribe. Come back for more. See you guys.